What's up, people? It's your boy Nasa Benkabi. This is DeFi Bully. I'm gonna show y'all how y'all do it. You go here to YouTube and you go to DeFi Bully. Okay, you go to the page and you hit that subscribe button. Okay, that's how you do it. Hit the subscribe button, you hit the like button, because we're on that push to 1,000 subscribers, and we are so very close. We're on that milestone. But let's head over to this Toasted Avax. Now, Toasted Avax been doing this thing. It's a little bit down, but at the same time, the people that know the vibes know the vibes. So what I'm here to do is shout out to everybody that's doing the damn thing, compounding, claiming, whatever you're doing, as long as you loving the Toasted Avax team. And I love the Toasted Avax team, and I'm not just talking the talk, I'm walking the walk. Yeah, heard me? Now, like I said, I'm not monetized or anything like that, so I'm doing the thing. So I'm gonna do right now, early in this video, I'm gonna retoast early in the video. It might not be that much, it might not be that crazy, but I'm gonna retoast in the video for you guys, because I love y'all. And I ain't showing y'all my face because I'm just getting in. And right now in Jamaica time, where I'm at, is 4:30 a.m. So bear with me. Now pause for a second, let me take a sip while this loads. Yes, confirm transaction. I'm gonna refresh this page for y'all. Toasted Avax. Yes, this is part of the Baked Beans team. And shout out to Baked Beans because we just hit 6 months. Okay, I was gonna do another Baked Beans video, but I'm gonna just do it like this. Okay. Now Toasted Avax, I mess with Toasted Avax because it's just doing a damn thing, and it's so innovative because you can use different referral links every time. And speaking of which, let me go over to the Bullpen Millionaires. That's my Telegram group. Shout out to everybody that's making it happen. Shout out to D Dripper, that's the admin in my group. That's her right here. You feel me? We talking and we doing the thing. And shout out to Mr. Aloha in Hawaii. He said drop my toasted link, because we up all night when we party and we doing the thing. They about to do a live deposit. So shout out to you. My God. Blessings to the team. Blessings to the people that's with the movements. We doing the thing. You know the vibes, people. I don't really want to like distract y'all with everything that I got going on, but I do want to show y'all that the Toasted Avax is still at around 600,000, 594,000. It's down slightly, but the people that know the vibes know the vibes. So if you go here, you see it's hatch, it sells, it's hatches. So it's looking healthy, people. And that's mainly because the Baked Beans team is that powerful. Now, let me do something live for you guys. Let me go over to the Baked Beans. Go over to the Baked Beans. Let me change my MetaMask. Hold up. I'm on the right thing. Can y'all see me? Let me change my MetaMask over to the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, now we're here. Okay, let me refresh this one time just so it shows my rewards and everything like that. And let me rebate this as well. I know it's not that much, but let me rebate, because I want to do everything live for y'all on the camera. And I did take some, I believe I claimed the last time on my Toasted Avax, just because it's just my time to claim. Oh my God, I wish y'all could see what I'm sipping on right now, but my camera's not on. It's called Real Vibes. So if y'all want to sponsor me. But I don't want to sound too crazy. The contract balance for Baked Beans is at 6.3 million. Just about 6.3 million. So it's still pretty healthy, still a lot higher than a lot of other things. And shout out to Mr. Aloha again. It said, well, guess what? Tell me how your boy from Hawaii about to shoot you a retoast because of the unique feature built into the new protocol. The world's gonna do promotions like this going forward, rewarding people who abide with the 6-1. And I'm a mini whale, trying to be a killer whale one day. Yes, so shout out to you, Mr. Aloha. We all are mini whales in this new system. and you're doing the thing. And yo, shout out to you again, because you're really making, it's people like this that made the protocol worthwhile. Okay, so if you guys can, please do what you can. If you really believe in these protocols, you really believe in these projects, you have to compound. Okay, all right, you have to compound, and take profits. It's healthy. All these things are healthy. We gotta do what we gotta do, and we do what we do. All right, people. I'm somebody, I believe in the Baked Beans project because it made me a lot of money. Shout out to Crypto Creators, shout out to Juice, shout out to everybody that's involved in the team. I love it. I love it. I just got in from a party. It's 4:30 a.m. if I didn't say that already, on my time. I don't want to make this video crazy long. I just want to show you guys a live compound, just to show y'all I'm doing the do. All right, people. I know my face not showing, and trust me, y'all don't want to see me right now. I ain't wearing no shirt. I just came home and I said, yo, I love the people so much. Let me just do a live video. Don't want to do nothing too crazy. That's crazy. It's still on Twisted Avax. Baked beans. My beans is up a little bit. Let me see what Mr. Aloha said. Oh, wow. And this is how you know it's a whale. Oh, my God. 23,274 toast. Way more than me. Yo, shout out my boy. Shout out my boy, Mr. Aloha. Blessings on blessings. I'm going to say in the video. Doing a video now. Giving you a shout out. Much blessings. All right. So we in here, people. And I did not. Fuck, I'm gonna empty my wallet and throw 1.5 Avax. Hold on. Oh, okay. I'm about to say, yo, if you need gas, just hit me up in a Telegram group. I will give you gas. There's no problem. I will give you gas. Just because you're supporting the team, you're supporting us, you're supporting the group, the Bullpen Millionaires. The link will be down below. And one thing I forgot to show for you guys, I forgot to play my song. I'm sorry. Like I said, I just got in. Let me play it live for you one time. I'm gonna sing it with y'all too. Come on, see. You feel come on, see. Cryptocurrency. Come on, see. Defi bully. Nasa Bing Hobby. Subscribe to me. Me just bingo. In a crypto. Brand new money as I wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. You know I'm bringing that content for y'all. And it's an everyday thing for us. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. I got rewards. Blessings on blessings on blessings. And you get rewarded for doing what you got to do. All right. If you check the miners thing, you know that Toasted Avax is still one of the top things out here. Baked Beans is still being advertised, still pushing. We're getting rid of the people that's claiming every day. It is what it is, people. It is what it is. This is DeFi. It's risky. It's time sensitive. Hit that notification bell. Hit that like button. I do want to talk to you guys about something. I want to talk to you guys about the fudders out there. The people that's just creating all types of FUD for the people. Don't watch them. Don't let people scare you out of your bag. Don't let people, because I've came across people that said, oh, Baked Beans is a scam. So don't listen to those people. I'm telling you. Are y'all listening to me? Don't listen to these people. Do your own research. Do your own research. Find out what's going on. If it works for you, it works for you. It might not work for some people. What I realize about a lot of people in this space is whenever they think something is too good to be true, they really shun it and they don't want anybody to be a part of it. Don't be that guy. Don't be that guy. Be this guy. Be like Mr. Aloha right here in Hawaii. They do the thing and I respect it. And I'm the same way as well. I don't watch people. I don't listen to people talking in nonsense. If it works for me, it works for me. And that's how I am. Scared money don't make no money. And like I said, it is early morning. It's 4:39 a.m. in Jamaica time where I'm at right now. I'm going to take another sip. Okay, people. I should turn my camera on. But it's kind of dark in here, so you wouldn't see me anyway. But much blessings, people. Shout out to everybody that's making a protocol going, that's keeping a protocol going. Toasted Avax as well as baked beans. I love y'all. And just like everything else, we got our ups and our downs. We have our ups and our downs. If you're somebody that been following baked beans since day one, you saw the ups and the downs. One time, baked beans was said to be dead. And we all seen what happened. It's been around for 182 days now. Today is the 6-month anniversary. And it's still the highest TVL in DeFi. Am I lying? Am I lying? Am I lying? Well, well, baked beans, the drip garden is a little up, a little bit higher, but we know the vibes already. Still one of the highest, second highest in DeFi right now. And mark my words, we're coming for that #1 spot. And it's only a matter of time for Toasted Avax is on that same level. So don't let the fudders and the people scare you out of your bag, people. Don't let these people scare you out of your bag. We got to do what it do, and we got to do what we know is right. Okay? If you guys have any topics or anything you guys want me to talk about personally, I will personally do that for you guys. I love y'all. I love DeFi. I don't work. This is my life. DeFi is my life. So I'm going to do what I have to do to make sure this goes the right way that it's supposed to go. All right, people. I don't want to talk too much and make y'all seem like I'm just lollygagging and all these other things. Like I said, I'm just getting in. Just wanted to do a quick update for you guys. There's some other things going on. Matter of fact, before I get off, let me just go through some of these other things that's going on in both the Toasted Avax as well as baked beans. Okay. In the baked beans project, there was an AMA earlier, not an AMA, but just a 6-month anniversary update video where a lot of people talked. I listened to some of it earlier, as well as let me just, where's the Toasted Avax? They shared this, I believe they shared this. Yep, they shared the same thing in the Toasted Avax. And then this the other day, a couple of days ago. Here's to show you guys a little bit of updates of how they're spending the monies. Facebook ads is 20K. Billboards, they have ad banners. YouTube videos, they spending money. TikToks, micro and nano social media campaign. AMA and competition and giveaways. There's a lot of things. You guys could go to the Telegram groups and be up to date with these things. As always, we try and do our best to achieve what needs to be done. Right here, you've got our marketing outline for May 2022. And May is my month, by the way. My birthday is coming up. Shout out May. Shout out Taurus, shout out Gemini, and everybody that's born in May. May babies. There will be additions to this. Please stay tuned, and as they are all working and posted, we will share them as they happen. With all this FUD and blatant abuse to our protocol, we have and will combat this honesty, dedication, and transparency. We will combat this with honesty, dedication, and transparency. We have nothing to hide and still strive to be the best community in Binance Smart Chain DeFi by bringing integrity back to the recent ghetto-like feel to the Binance Smart Chain especially. Nothing is impossible. I love that. Nothing is impossible, people. So don't listen to the FUD. If you believe in something, support it. That's what I do. That's what you should do. We will continue to work as a team to achieve what we know we can. Be patient. Have some faith. show some positivity and share those referrals around. Everybody can make money. And the thing that they got with this Toasted Avax, you could use a different referral every time you deposit. You could use a different referral every time you compound. So everybody, the wealth could be shared all around. You can't blame it on, oh, this YouTuber has so much and they're just claiming and claiming. No. There's no excuse no more. If you like, you could change it. You could switch it up. You can help your family out. You can help your brother, your sister, your auntie, your cousin, your grandma, your mother. Everybody could have a piece of this pie. All right? Be patient. Have some faith. Show some positivity. And share those referrals around. Appreciate you all. King Baked Beans. Thanks. Okay. Rebate 6. Eat 1. I'm sorry I never dropped my song. But if I was to drop a beat right now, it'll go like. Compound 6, eat 1. Compound 6, eat 1. Compound 6, eat 1. And if you gotta eat 2. And compound 5, boom. Boom, 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 boom. Let me stop the nonsense. Nah, but for real, let's go. Like The Rock. And I remember this scene. It's from Pain and Gain. So let's get it and let's do the do, people. Let's support, let's bless, and let's and if we do have to eat, let's eat with all of our teeth. Not like him. Nah, blessings, people. I don't want to keep up too much time. I just want to keep this nice, short, and sweet. And I'm Nasa Ben Copy once again. I'm signing out. Like this video. Do what you gotta do. This DeFi is risky. I'm not a financial advisor. All right. I am not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.